Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maya Octaviana Ramadhani from A class. Today I will tell about a book. The title is Pedagogy of Hope from Paulo Freire. This is a relevant pedagogy of the oppressed. Here, Freire restates the importance of hope and progressive educational practice. He also critiques how education is often a politic and links it to his personal experience, including his exile and observation of injustice in Brazil. Freire emphasized that true education must empower individuals to strive for a better world, not paralyzed with fatalism. Relating the book to the real classroom is when in the classroom we often encounter students who feel powerless or lack confidence in their abilities. Perhaps they come from disadvantaged backgrounds, or perhaps the education system make them feel marginalized. So the concept of the pedagogy of hope is highly relevant here. Freire reminds us that a teacher's role is not merely to transfer education, but also to instill hope and belief that change is possible. This is also referred to uh, banking education in the book. So we must create an environment where students feel heard, valued, and capable of becoming agent of change in their own lives. As a future educator, I hope I will apply the lesson from this book. First, I will not simply overload students with facts, and second, I will practice dialogue in the classroom, listen to the student voices, and encourage them to think critically about the world around them. I want my classroom to be a place where students feel empowered to ask questions, discuss, and discovering something new. The most interesting part for me is when Freire discussed how he and his ideas were banned in Brazil for 15 years. Ironically, this ban became the very reason that pushed him to write Pedagogy of Oppressed. It shows how powerful his ideas were, so powerful that the government saw them as a threat. And yet, this only strengthened his message about the importance of freedom and liberation. This reminds me of the story of Wiji Tukul in Indonesia, the poet who was handed down for his work that challenged the regime. Just like Freire, Wiji Tukul voices could not be silenced because it carried hope in resistance. Freire writes in Pedagogy of Hope in opening words, without a minimum of hope, we cannot so much as start the struggle. But without the struggle, hope as an ontological need dissipates, loses at its bearing, and turns into hopelessness. And hopelessness can become tragic despair. This quote made me realize that hope alone is not enough. We need action. Freire keeps struggling even the exile, and that's what made his hope real and transformative. From this book, I learned a new perspective on the inseparable relationship between education and politics. Freire clearly showed that there is no such thing as natural education. Every educational action has a politic implication, whether it supports or challenges the status quo. This made me realize as educator we have great responsibility not only to teach a subject but also to shape citizens who are aware, critical, and brave enough to fight for justice. This book is extremely important to me as a future educator because it provides a strong philosophical framework for transformative teaching practice. Pedagogy of Hope teach us not to succumb to despair, to always seek ways to empower students, and to believe in their political to change the world. I think enough from me. Thanks for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.